ladders, and the reason we're calling it that is because we're doing snacks for moms to make for kids to take to school. And today we're going to do something really fun. We're assembling everything on a stick and we're calling it
Yummy Cues.
Yummy Cues.
Yummy Cues.
Are you ready to start?
Yes.
And the ingredients are
Grapes. Pita bread. Cheddar cheese. Ham.
Okay, Daria, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to
What?
chop up some grapes. Okay?
Okay. I
So-
choose with knife. Yellow.
Yellow knife. Okay, go ahead and cut them in half. There we go. So now we have the grapes. And next we have the cheese blocks.
I love cheese blocks.
You do?
Yes. I love cheese.
Now we have the pita bread.
Okay.
Okay, this is called the pita bread. We're gonna cut this up so that it fits on the stick. So Mama's gonna do this part because we need a sharp knife.
Mama,
Yes?
this bread looks like cheese.
It does look like cheese.
Yes.
Okay, Daria, now the last ingredient is ham, and we have to go and cook this in a little bit of butter. So we're gonna go and do that and come back and I'll show you how to assemble
It's
it, okay?
really quick.
It is really quick. Now that I have cooked the ham, we're going to put the ham down,
Okay.
fold it in half, and cut it. Are you ready to do the assembly?
Yes.
Hold your stick.
Okay.
First goes the pita bread. Be careful and stick your pita bread in. Be careful,
Right.
because I don't want you poking your finger. Next will go the cheese. Slide it down. Next we'll take the ham that we cooked. Slide it down.
Slide.
And last we're gonna put in the grape. Slide it down. And now we're gonna do the same thing again. So pita bread, slide it down. Cheese. Hold on, hold on. Careful, don't put your finger there. Okay, slide it down. Ham,
Ham.
slide it down. And grapes. And slide that down. There you go. All right, Daria, are you ready to try it?
Yes.
Okay, be careful of the stick. Okay, try and bite it from the side all together like this. Okay, would it be easier if you do it like this?
Yeah.
Here, bite it down. Okay, bite. Whoops. What do you think? Okay, finish chewing and then you can tell me. What do you think, Daria?
It's nice.
It is nice?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
Cheese.
It tastes like cheese? Do you like that new bread that I made you try? So this is called a pita bread. So pita breads can be used in many different forms, as you know. People eat it with hummus. You can always try and make it into a little pizza. And in this case, you're just having fun with it on a kebab stick kind of way. So we're gonna have fun with ours while you have fun with yours. Have a good time trying this out. Till next
Bye.
time, bye.